Okay, here's the wig straight out the box. Okay, my initial review is that the hair is soft. Look at the curl pattern right here. And it is 20 inches long. It has 4 combs, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle, and 1 comb on the bottom. So you're gonna be super secure. And then you have the headband, which has the Velcro headband. So you're gonna be super secure. Wig cap. To go with. You want to go to the grocery store, your friend just called you and like, hey girl, you want to go out, you just slip this right on, lay your baby hairs down. Fluffy, you could do the half up, half down look. I just grabbed a rubber band real quick, don't judge me, but you can do that look. So anyone do this with his hair, but I flipped over to the side and it switched up the look. I don't know if you know Ruby Rose, but this reminds me of her beautiful natural hair.